How to set nickname in Instagram chat. So if you want to set nickname in Instagram chat like you do in your messenger chat, then let's see if it's possible or not. So first open up your Instagram application. Make sure to log into your account. Once you're here, you need to go for the messages, which is on the upper right. And here you will have your messages, right? Or if you want to set a nickname for this person, then if you tap and hold on to that chat, then you don't have an option of nickname right here. You can see that, right? So in Instagram, we don't have that option yet. What you need to do is you just need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on help, and go for report a problem. Tap on report a problem and don't include. And under report a problem, you need to write that I'm not being able to set a nickname in my Instagram chat, so please help me with that problem. And once you've reported that problem to the Instagram, within 24 hours Instagram will reply you with a solution or with the answer. So that's it for now, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.